Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a return of a subscription box I haven't unboxed on my channel for quite a while, and it is Freedom Street. This is what the box looks like. It's got my address on the back there. So if you're new to Freedom Street, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside their June-July Deluxe Edition subscription box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Freedom Street is a UK-based, cruelty-free and vegan subscription box, and also they have an online store. They offer 3 types of subscriptions. You've got the mini box, which contains plastic-free beauty products and contains between 3 to 6 items, and that is available bi-monthly for £25.95. Next, we got the original box that contains 5 to 8 beauty products, and that is available bi-monthly for £33.95. And lastly, there's the deluxe box, which I'm showing you today, and that contains between 7 and 12 beauty products, sweet treats and lifestyle products. It's available every other month for £44.95. There's free shipping within the UK for the subscriptions, and they ship worldwide. For subscribers living in Europe, additional shipping is £4.95, and the rest of the world shipping is £6.95. Now, if you don't want to commit to a subscription, you are able to purchase a one-off box in either the mini box, the original box or the deluxe box, and they're about £2 to £3 extra on top. Plus they offer a build your own box, which will cost you £29.95, and you choose 5 products to go inside to gift to a friend or family, or as yourself if you want to. Now, one thing that really stood out about this subscription when I was doing my research was the fact that you get to personalise to an extent towards any of the subscriptions. So you fill in a little questionnaire and they ask you questions like, would you like makeup? If you do, then it goes on to asking you about your skin tone, your favourite shades, whether you like lip products and things like that. But not only makeup, they ask you if you like tanning, if you like nails, if you have a bath or a shower, if you like any scents, and your favourite colour. So a lot of information is gathered about your preferences that they can use to create a box that you will love. Now, this box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I will pop a link to this box down in my description, and if there's any discount codes I can find, then you'll find that down there as well. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to open this up and showing you what's inside. Freedom Street has just turned 4. It's their 4th birthday this month, so in celebration, every single subscription box will have an added bonus treat in there, and also 5 boxes will have a little voucher which will entitle you to win prizes. So you've got a seed paper leaflet, which I love. I think it's brilliant, and it gives you all the information about the products in the box, plus it gives you the cost as well, so I'm able to tot it all up at the end to give you an overall value. There's a little letter here for me with some extra information, which I'll talk to you about in a minute, but I'll just give you a sneak peek. Can you see? So I'll go through it one by one in detail. But going back to my letter, it just goes into detail about what I've just told you in the introduction, but it also says that this June-July box is available until the 20th of July unless sold out. For every 5 boxes sent out, 1 tree is planted. 10% of our profits are donated to animal charities. We use eco-friendly packaging, including seed paper, for our description cards, which can be planted to grow wildflowers. And they've given me a code to share with you. It's not affiliated to me, but you're welcome to use it, and it'll entitle you to receive 15% off any purchases on their website and also their subscription boxes, but it excludes build your own boxes, and that is Diary 15. I'll pop that down below. Okay, first item in the box, we've got a little grenade here, and this is a pollinator bee bomb. Seed bomb, throw it and grow it, and this is by Kabloom. It's 100% compostable, starch and natural fibre based paper form shell. Now, for international subscribers, you will either receive one of these grenades in your box or wax melts, but only for international subscribers. Help save the bees. The seed bomb is filled with a positively buzzing mix of bright and beautiful nectar, rich wildflower seeds, loved by bumblebees and honeybees. Oh, I think that is so, so lovely. Lots of information on the little card here. First, shake your seed bomb a few times. Open by pulling the pull label. Then you've got to soak it by submerging gently into water until it's fully soaked inside and out. And then throw or drop the seed bomb onto surface of bare ground that's in need of beautification with no grass or weeds and lots of natural light. No matter if you are throwing, dropping or simply placing your seed bomb, be sure to split it open to allow seedlings to sprout out. The recommended retail price for the seed bomb is £4.50 and you'll get one of three. So you've got the pollinator seed bomb, which is what I've got. You've got the butterfly bomb or the cornflower fairy lights seed bomb. So yeah, so that's the first item in the box. Next, we've got a hair wrap by Dock and Bay, 100% recycled quick dry hair wrap. Wet hair, don't care. There's a little label there. And then it tells you how to use it inside. Oh, this is so nice. This hair wrap, besides the gorgeous design, I absolutely love that, and the colours. It feels so nice. It feels like almost like Vella. You tie and then you twist and keep it like that. I love this. This is so nice. So the recommended retail price for this hair wrap is £14. Dries your hair in a compact, convenient bundle, making those routines a little easier. Make neck pain from bulky towels a thing of the past. 100% recycled material, and then it just goes on to tell you how to use it. So yeah, that is gorgeous. That is lovely. Next, we've got a solid day cream. This is by bladblade, and this is for your face. Immortal Flower, all natural, certified organic, moisturising day cream. Solid bar there. I love things like, oh, it smells nice. Oh, it smells of cocoa butter. Handmade in France. Oh, I can feel it. I can feel it slightly like melting on my fingers there. Handy. Taken it on holiday. I'm holiday obsessed. Oh, I am holiday obsessed. I'm desperate to go away. But if you know, you don't have to worry about liquids, do you? It feels so nice. Oh, I can't wait to see what that is like on my skin. This is a full-size product and the recommended retail price is £23.95. This day cream bar is handmade in France with only natural and organic ingredients. It's easy to apply, stays solid even in warmer weather, and has a lightweight feel on the skin. It helps regenerate your skin, makes it soft, and also keeps it protected. The bar will last around 3 months when used daily. Slowly glide the bar over your face where needed, using the warmth of your skin to melt the bar, then using your fingertips to massage the product into your face. I love that. I love that. Next, we've got a product from Freedom Street themselves, and this is a sugar scrub bar. It says, I'm cruelty-free, vegan, plastic-free and palm oil-free. Freshly squeezed sugar scrub bar. It says, gently rub the bar over wet skin in the bath or shower and the cocoa butter base will start to melt, leaving a scrubby mixture on the skin. Allow the bar to melt a little before use if it feels too harsh. Work the mixture into your skin with your hands and then lightly rinse off to be left with silky smooth skin. Also perfect for summer feet and tough areas. Oh, that is lovely. Orange and satsumas. Oh, I love them. It smells me. Oh, I can see a bit of orange in there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, this is so nice. I am really excited with this box so far. So it says this is a full-size product and the recommended retail price is £4.95. Freshly squeezed oranges and satsumas, one of those scents that's good enough to eat. But it says please don't though. These lovely scrubby bars contain sweet orange essential oil for its toning properties on the skin. Yeah, that is really nice. Next we've got a product by Ascent Bath and Body, and it says Be Happy, Ylang Ylang Bergamot, Rosewood and Lavender Essential Oil Botanical Facial Steam. It's got a pouch there. Oh, it's open. Is it open? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's not broken. It's not seeping out. There you go. You can have a good look now. You see there? Oh, that smells so nice. Okay, let's read about it. It's got directions here on how to use it, but I'll just find out more about it first. So this is a full-size product and the recommended retail price is £8. These new botanical facial steamers by Ascent are a great addition to your skincare routine. They will create that steam glow and give your skin that longed-for dewy appearance. Not only that, but because they have used their aromatherapy blends, so you will derive therapeutic benefits too. Their Be Happy blend uses 2 different salts and botanicals which will hydrate and detoxify your skin, whilst the essential oil blend will help lift your mood, lower your blood pressure and aid relaxation. Oh, I can't wait to use that. But I've just had, you might be able to tell, I've just had my eyebrows topped up. I have had my eyebrows microbladed 6 weeks ago and I just had them topped up yesterday, so I've got to go through all that healing process again. So as soon as they're healed, I'm going to be giving myself a facial steam. Next, we've got a body wash by Flawless Professional Vegan Beauty. This is a luxury body wash, Oriental Bliss, Frangipani and Jasmine, and there's 50ml here. Lovely packaging. There's lots of scents flying around here. I'm not too sure if I can smell this or what I've just picked up before. Oh, it's nice. It's very subtle. Frangipani heart notes will whisk you away to exotic shores before aromatic jasmine opens up and envelopes your senses with this luxury body wash. Our formula is further enriched with conditioning, panthenol and soothing aloe vera for a gloriously soft skin feel. So the recommended retail price for this size is £3.95 and you can purchase the 100ml size for £5.95, and then it just goes on to tell you what I've just read off the side there. Now there's lots of sweet treats in the box, but I'll leave them until last. So now on to some makeup. So this is by a brand called Papier and this is a lipstick crayon. I was really fortunate enough to be sent a Freedom Street advent calendar and oh my gosh, it is beautiful. Absolutely stunning calendar. We had one of these there and basically it's biodegradable, contains no plastic. You've got a piece of string there, you just pull on it to sharpen essentially, and yeah, it's paper, it's made of paper. So they asked me what shade I wanted and I picked this shade, and what is it? It's Dusty Rose. It's a moisturising lipstick in a glossy nude. Yeah, I really like that. Yeah, it's a really nice nude, really pretty. So if you opt for a no makeup option, you will receive a product from this brand, but it will be a lip balm. This lipstick is full size and the recommended retail price is £13.95. These have made eco-friendly lipsticks really easy to find. It contains extracts from the exotic Mura, Puama and Damiana plants. Sorry if I can't say that right, that stimulate the important microcirculation in your lips and build up natural volume for the perfect pout. So there's that. Next we got a mask by Vitamasks, and this is a vegan collagen lychee plump and moisturize, made with lychee extracts, vegan collagen and multi-molecular hyaluronic acid, and natural and biodegradable sheet mask. Lychees are gorgeous. Really lovely. The kids find them really odd. I do buy them now and again. They're just like they are really weird. If you've never tried a lychee before, when you peel off the skin it looks a bit like an eye. But it tastes amazing. I love lychees. The recommended retail price for this mask is £3.99. Lychee plumps your skin, utilising MMHA to improve collagen and boost antioxidants to shield your skin from free radicals. And cherry, brighten your complexion and get an antioxidant boost by reducing the damage caused by free radicals with ferulic acid. I've got a face mask. Next we've got a product by Dr. Botanicals, and this is the Grapefruit and Watermelon Refreshing Cleanser for combination and oily skins, and we've got 30ml here. Looks like there. I just put a bit there. It's a cleanser. It is a cleanser. It's foaming up a little bit. It smells lovely, but it could also be whatever else is on my hand. Grapefruit and watermelon. I don't know. They're all blending into one. The recommended retail price for this size is £14.90. You can also purchase a 60ml for £19.90. So everyone that has oily to combination skins will receive this. If you've got normal to dry skins, you'll receive a watermelon cleanser and makeup remover. And it says gently clean and clarify your skin with a superfood refreshing cleanser, rich in antioxidants and natural botanical extracts that gently clean to help prevent imperfections without drying out your skin. Now onto the sweet treats. First up, we've got a Freedom Street pick and mix. Now we had one of these in the advent calendar where we had our big bag. It was amazing. It was amazing. It says I'm vegan, plastic free and palm oil free, and there's 100 grams here. Look, lots of little sweets there. Oh, I love anything sour. Little cola bottles. I love them. Look. We've got a box of, oh, it's really sour. We've got a box of pick and mix. Sweets, which I can't share. This is a little added extra, a 4th birthday special treat. So everyone will receive one of these in their box, and it has a retail value of £2.49. Next, we've got some Pretzel Thins from Indie Base Snacks, sour cream and onion, and natural vegan fibre. I'm going to save those. I'm just save those to eat. You can purchase this for 99p. Flavour is everything with these indulgent, tangy, sour cream and onion thins. At just 107 calories per bag, these delicious bites are the epitome of win-win situation. Guilt-free snacking at your service. And then lastly, we've got some chocolate. This is by Daisy and Dom, and they call Ballers. I think, yeah, Ballers dark chocolate crunchy balls. This pouch can be bought for £1.29, but they also do a 75-gram pouch for £2.95. It says stacks of golden multi-crunch decked out in velvety dark chocolate. Ballers by name, ballers by nature. The crunchy chocolate balls are palm oil free, made from natural ingredients and ethically sourced Colombian cocoa. I'm going to try one then. I'll try one. They are really tasty, but I can't tell you what is the middle. It's like a wafer crunchy biscuit middle. So those are all the products. There's 12 products in all. I'll just gather them all up, add them all up and do a bit of a recap. We've got a Flawless Luxury Body Wash. We've got a Le Papier biodegradable moisturising lipstick. We've got a Vitamask vegan collagen lychee plump and moisturise face mask. We've got an Ascent Bath and Body Be Happy facial steamer. We've got a Ballade en Provence a solid day cream. We've got a Dock and Bay quick dry hair wrap. A Dr. Botanicals grapefruit and watermelon cleanser. A freshly squeezed sugar scrub bar by Freedom Street. A pollinator bee bomb by Kabloom. Some Pretzel Thins by Indie Bay. Some chocolates by Daisy and Dom. And lastly, as an added treat, because it's their 4th birthday box, we've got a box of Pick and Mix sweets. The cost of this deluxe bi-monthly subscription box is £44.95, free shipping in the UK, and there's additional shipping out to the UK. The value of this box comes in at over £100, around £108. My maths is not brilliant, and I haven't got my phone here to add it all up, so it's over £100 anyway. Personally, I was really excited opening up this box. I love the fact that there's a lot of products in there that I've never tried before, haven't seen before, haven't heard of before, etc. That really excites me. I love that grenade, something a little bit different, and also the solid bars as well, and that gorgeous hair wrap. That is stunning. I am really happy with that. But as always, I would love to hear your thoughts. Do you subscribe to Freedom Street? How does this box compare to any of the other boxes? Do you subscribe to their mini box or the original box, etc.? Or are you watching this for the first time, wondering if this is a subscription for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. And a huge thank you for Freedom Street for sending this box out to me. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.